So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the price filters here on Zumper. So once Zumper is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in a location of your choice for this demonstration. I will just use wonderful New York City. Once that is done, I'll get the map view so you guys can see whereabouts I'm looking. If you want to change this to a specific price, maybe a minimum or a maximum, go to where it says price here in the top left, and where it says minimum, type in your amount. So you can also drag this bar right here. So if we wanted to go places between 2,000 and let's say our budget was $2,000 to $4,000 a month, we'll go ahead and press on that and then press on search. Now all of a sudden your search will be refining to listings that kind of fit this criteria. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to edit price filters on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.